Have you ever seen a flower that glows like tiny flames in the garden? Meet the beautiful Crossandra flower, also called as Kanakambara. It may look delicate, but this flower has been loved in Indian homes for generations. Look at those bright colors: orange, peach, yellow, even red shades. Unlike roses, Crossandra flowers have no strong fragrance. Yet people adore them because of their beauty and long lasting freshness. And here is something amazing. This plant blooms almost throughout the year if cared for properly. In South India, Kanakambara flowers are widely used for hair decoration. Their vibrant color makes every traditional look more elegant and festive. But Crossandra is not just beautiful, it's also easy to grow. This plant loves warm sunlight and moderate watering. Just give it a little care and it rewards you with endless flowers. And Crossandra attracts butterflies too. So your garden becomes colorful and full of life. Another interesting fact: Crossandra flowers can stay fresh for many hours even after plucking. That's why they are popular in garlands and decorations. In Ayurveda and traditional practices, some varieties were also used for natural cooling and decorative purposes. So, if you want a plant that is colorful, traditional, low maintenance, and always cheerful, Crossandra is a perfect choice. One small plant can brighten your entire garden. Do you have Crossandra flowers at home? Tell us your favorite flower color in the comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe for more amazing plant videos. See you in the next video. Save Earth, save life. Thank you.